Hey everybody, this is Jerry Keysweater from Holly Kia TV. It's a cloudy, little bit of a rainy day today, so I've got Buzzy Warner here with me. We're going to be putting some new genuine Kia wiper blades on this Kia Optima. Of course, if you buy your wiper blades here, we're always happy to put them on for you. But if you get in a pinch and you need to put your own on, Buzzy's going to walk you through the process. So what are we doing, Buzz?
Well, the newer Kias, you gotta put them in the park position for the wiper blades, or else they'll hit the hood and scratch it up. These have the little clip on them. Flip the clip up, hit your switch in here, or not. There you go. Slides down. You got your new wiper blades. They got a little clip in them as well. Slide them on. Clip into place.
Alright,
that's all it is.
Easy enough. Alright man, thanks so much.
No problem.